Hello lovely people, welcome once again to the channel. This is sunsetdronegh. Guys, I just want to thank you for always watching our videos, and those who have subscribed to the channel, God bless you so much. Guys, we are 30 subscribers away from the 1k mark, and I'm just hoping that you guys will share, like, comment on our videos, and also let others subscribe to the channel so that we can always share with you amazing and beautiful projects and areas or towns that we have around. Please, today we are coming to you from Goaso, the Ahafo Regional capital. This is the Ahafo Regional High Court that you're seeing your shots right now, and I'm showing you this place because this is a government project. We are hoping that this place will be completed and it will serve the people of Ahafo judicially, like the judicial services, or for the regional or the region can be like promoted and it can be taken to the next level. With the regional high court, I know that most of the cases that couldn't be like settled in this region can be done now because this place is going to serve that purpose. I hope that this building, as it looks right now, as an amazing building as it is, will just be as amazing when they complete it. Please, I will just entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing Sunset family. You are seeing right now is the Goaso Magistrate Court, which has been serving the people judicially. All the judicial services are being catered for in this place, and the circuit court, which is just behind this building. All of these buildings are found behind the Goaso Commercial Bank on the Goaso main road. You find this amazing court buildings or court yard. You see the Goaso court or the Goaso VIP station. This is the circuit court, Goaso circuit court that you're seeing your shots right now. On your left of the circuit court, you are seeing the Goaso Ghana Education Service Office. That's what you're seeing your shots right now. Then we have this beautiful edifice that we're building over there. Please, thank you so much for watching this video. We begin bringing you updates of this building or of this project. We're hoping that by the close of or the finish or the completion of this building is going to serve its purpose that is being built for. Thank you. This is Goaso.